Have you ever uploaded a video that looked perfect on your computer? But when you posted it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, important part got cut off, your face disappeared, your captions got cropped, your text became unreadable, and your view stayed low. What if I told you that one simple mistake is silently killing the performance of thousands of videos every day? In this video, I'll show you a free tool that can instantly fix this problem and help you repurpose one video, just one video, in multiple formats for different platforms without needing expensive software. Yes, you heard me right. I said you can do it without you needing expensive software. Stay until the end of this video because I will also show you mistakes most creators make that causes their video to look unprofessional even after the resizing. Yes, some mistakes that we creators make after resizing our video, they still look unprofessional. Just stay with me and I'll show you all these things as we proceed. One of the biggest challenges content creators face today is creating content for multiple platforms. A video made for YouTube might not fit TikTok. A video made for Facebook might not be the same for TikTok. An Instagram reel might crop out your captions. Every platform has different dimensions. For example, YouTube usually uses 16 by 19 aspect ratio. YouTube Shorts uses 9 by 16 aspect ratio. Instagram post often uses 1 by 1 ratio or 4 by 5 ratio. Facebook Reels is always 9 by 16 ratio. If you upload the wrong format, the platform may crop your content automatically, reducing viewers' experience and hurting engagement. This is where 123 app video resizer comes in. It helps you quickly resize your video online without downloading complicated editing software. One of the biggest challenges content creators face today, especially in 2026, is creating content for multiple platforms. A video made for YouTube might not fit TikTok. A TikTok video might not fit for YouTube. Or if you make a video for YouTube, it might look terrible in TikTok, vice versa. An Instagram reel might crop out your captions when you are uploading it on TikTok. So every platform has different dimensions. For example, YouTube video usually use 16 by 9. YouTube Shorts uses 9 by 16. Instagram post often uses 1 by 1 or 4 by 5 ratio. Facebook Reels is always 9 by 16. If you upload the wrong format, the platform may crop your content automatically, reducing viewer experience and hurting engagement. This is where this app that I want to talk about today comes in. 123 apps video resizer. This is where 123 apps video resizer comes in. This is where we always emphasize that use the right tools so that you can get good output. It helps you quickly resize your video online without downloading complicated software. This 123 app will help you do that online automatically without you having to face complications while downloading. You edit whatever you want online before you download. Let us understand the real problem. Imagine you spend 5 hours creating a high quality video. You design perfect captions. You position your graphics carefully. Everything looks amazing. Then you upload it to a vertical platform. Suddenly, your captions are cut off. Your logo are cut off. Your logo disappears. Your face is no longer centered. The video looks amateur. Viewers swipe away within seconds. This isn't because your content is bad. It's because your video was not optimized for that platform. Modern social media platforms prioritize content that delivers a good viewing experience. If viewers struggle to see your content, watch time drops. When watch time drops, reach drops. When reach drops, views drops. A simple formatting mistake can cost thousands of potential views on that effort you put in creating that video. Today, smartest creators don't just create more content, they create smarter content. One video can become a YouTube video, a YouTube short, a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a Facebook reel, a Pinterest video, a LinkedIn video. Instead of creating 7 separate videos, they create one masterpiece of content and adapt it for multiple platforms. This saves time, increases reach, build audience faster, and creates more opportunities for monetization. But none of that works if the video dimensions are wrong. So if our video dimensions are wrong, all these things that I'm talking about, increase reach, saves time, build audience faster, none of them will appear. None of them will be good. None of them will happen if the dimensions of your video is totally wrong. So how do we go step by step in fixing this? Hang on and we'll move there. And if you are still watching up to now, my name is Sonny with Team Progress. Do us well to like our video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be part of the first few people that will get our videos as soon as we upload them in our platform. Subscription is free of charge. Do us well to encourage us by subscribing again. Like our video, share our videos to your friends and loved ones. And like I said, the notification bell is more important so that you get updates as soon as we put new contents in our channel. This app that I'm talking about, 123 apps, is an online tool for videos, audio, PDF, and file conversion. Now, in the video sections, we have a lot of tools that you use for your video. You have the video editor, the screen recorder, text to speech, merge your videos, trim videos, add audio to videos, add image to videos, add text to video, remove logos, loop your video, resize your video, change the volume of your video, change the speed, stabilize your video, and flip your videos. That's just on the video tools sections alone. So if you go to the audio sections, you have where you can trim your audio, change the volumes, equalizer, audio joiner, video recorder, reverse audio, you want to change the pitch of your audio. That's it. Now you come to the PDF tools. You have assorted ones there. Just one app that you can use and achieve a lot of work. Remember this app, they have the free version, they have the paid version. If you want to really actually get much more access to all these tools, definitely you have to pay for it. But that doesn't stop you from using it you use the free versions to do little work here and there, but if you want to do that heavy duty job of yours, and you need to get paid for the free version, you pay the free version for you to have access to do what you want to do. So this app, as I'm saying, it's very, very good. So let's head to our computer and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I will go to their website, log on to 123 apps, then pick one simple item that we'll use, or let's say we'll do one simple demonstration. Maybe you have a video file that is about close to like 1 gig, or maybe 500 MB, you want to resize it to about maybe 50 MB, 100 MB, you can achieve that. And one good thing I like about it is this website, there are some websites that will restrict the file you upload for them to resize for you. I think this website does up to about 1 gig, which is very good. At least you can be able to do a lot of resizing using these 123 apps. So without wasting much of our time, let us dive in to the practical aspect of it so that we can actually experience what I'm talking about.
Now, as I'm saying, we've now opened the website of 123apps.com. As I said earlier, you can see all the tools that are available, under the video sections, all the tools that are available under the audio section, and all the tools available under the PDF sections, and even the converter, like I told you. So let's pick one simple one simple job, and let's see what we can do. Okay, let's say okay, we want to resize our video. This is the resizing video. Let's come down to this place. I have some videos on my computer. Let's look for it. We can quickly resize those videos for us. Let me go to the hard drive and pick one video here. Let me see. Let me quickly go to my hard drive and pick a video here so that we can demonstrate exactly what I'm talking about, what this software can do for us. So this is, let me see, that is not a big video, but let me look for a very big video that we can resize. This is 1.2 MB. So let's take this one. Let me take it to let me put it on this. Yeah, you can try to paste that video on our desktop so that we use it as a practical example to demonstrate exactly what I'm talking about. Just one task. Let's pick up one task and demonstrate and see what this page can do for us. It has a lot of things to offer to content creator. Just one app and they can use to do a lot of things. So this is our video clip. As you can see, it's 1.23 gig. So let's head to that page. You click on this video resize, open, then so choose a file. So either you can drag and drop the file here, or you choose an upload. So let's drag it and drop it there. So what I do is I minimize my windows, then I drag and drop this. So let's see. So you see it's loading. It's actually loading. So we want to resize it. So we can now see it's not giving us option. We want to resize to 360p, we want to resize to 240p, or we want to pick the original size. So let me pick 240p. So we now say save. So we wait. It will upload. Then after finish uploading, then it will now resize our video for us. You see, it will now reduce the video size very well, so that we get exactly what we need. Remember, when we started, the video is about 1.2 gig, so we allow it will take a little bit of time to upload. Once it finishes uploading, then it will resize, then we download it, then I can now show you the final size of the video after the compression. So let's wait and see. It's going to take a while, but nevertheless, we just have patience. So, but for the sake of time, I'm not at the running the video while it's trying to resize the video. So let the video resize. Once it finishes resizing, we'll come back and you'll see the actual size of the video after going through the 1, 2, 3 apps video resizer. So you can see from our screen now that it has gained 2% of loading. So we'll wait and see. So let's wait and see whether we get up to the 3 or 4% before we can cut off the video and allow it to completely resize. When it finishes resizing, then we now come up and see what is the actual size after the software has finished resizing it. And remember that I told you, this website takes up to 1 gig or even more than 1 gig. From what you can see, I uploaded 1.2 gig. Some websites, if you go and check, they tell you a maximum of 100 MB. Some will not go more than 500 MB. So if you try to upload a file that is more than 500 MB for it to resize, it will automatically reject it. So 1, 2, 3 apps is very good because I did a lot of research before I could be able to discover this app, and it's completely free. That is one thing you should know, that you can resize a small file, small video, completely free. 1, 2, 3 apps can resize your video completely free. Not just only resizing video, those options that you saw there under the video tool, they are actually free. They will do you free, do you good to save your money. So why don't you start using 1, 2, 3 apps, to edit your videos, resize the videos, and do a lot of things with it. So we are here, 4% already. So I will wait. I think I have to stop this video and come back once it has finished resizing so that we can now see exactly what we get at the end of the day. So just hang on and continue with us. Hello viewers, back to our page where we're resizing that video. As you can see here, we have about 59% done uploading. I'm not going to wait that long for it to upload before resizing. But for purpose of learning, the resizing, a file that is as large as this, the thing is here is you have to have some patience for it to upload before resizing. Remember, you are using it for free. I believe the paid version is a little bit much more faster than this, but since we are using a free version, you just have to exercise patience and wait for it to finish uploading. So this is 60%, but I'll open another tab where we'll be resizing a video that is not that heavy, so that we use it to learn for learning purpose. Now I'm going to pick up another file. Let's see. This file here is not that heavy. I'll put it here so that we can resize it. Let's see, you can see it. So we are doing two tabs at the same time. So we have just uploaded this tax. So I'm now trying to resize it to a smaller version. So I'll put the control as the and click save. So we wait. So you can see this small file already has uploaded about 34% done. So let's wait and see. This one will be able to upload very fast and resize the video so that you can actually understand what I'm talking about. So this is 34% done. So let's have patience and see how fast this one can go so that we'll be able to get an output from it. So meanwhile, like I said, the other one is still going through. I think we are 60% gone now, 51% are gone. So here now we have 30% gone. So we wait a little bit further to see where it will take us to. So let's just have that patience. As we are learning, we have to have patience. We have to inculcate that habit of being patient when we are learning. This is a tutorial I'm making especially for beginners who are coming newly into content creation. So they don't suffer the way we suffered in searching for tools to help our workflow improve. So while we wait, like I keep saying, let us have patience and wait and see where we go from here. So this one is about 52% gone, and this one is 40% gone. So let's just wait, hang on a little bit further, and see maybe in the next 2-3 minutes it will be able to conclude resizing the file. So let's wait. Well, after resizing our document, and for sake of time, I did not want to make the video that long. And you can see the two clips here. Let's see. This is the original clip, which is, let me see the properties of the original clip. The original clip is about 60.2 MB. That is the original clip. So after we resize it, we're able to get what do we get? 37.3 MB. So which is almost like half the size of the original clip. I decided to take a video that is not heavy for sake of tutorial purpose. But mostly this resizing is meant for document or videos that are very heavy. Videos from 1 GB, 2 GB, 500, 700 MB for you to resize. They are not really meant for small sizes of a video that is not a video. I just decided to treat this as small file for sake of learning purpose. And because the one video I was going to resize was taking us a lot of time. So I did not want to drag this video to about close to an hour because it's a tutorial video. I think it should be as quick as possible. Maybe we make it as short as we can. So lay your hands on that website as I say that app, 123 apps tools. It's great for doing a lot of things, especially when you have things to do.